Good morning to you again here at 5:15. Of course, we look at the large picture of what's going on with Helene. This is a very large storm. By the time this storm moves up into the Gulf and it's west of us, the tropical storm force winds will extend out almost 250 miles from the center, which is why the east coast of our state are under tropical storm warnings as well. The clouds extend from the Tampa area all the way down to Nicaragua from the same storm. That'll give you an idea of just how large this is. Everybody's been talking about the steering currents and which way it's going to go. And I got to tell you, these computer models have not budged. I mean, they may budge 20, 30 miles on either side, but in general, and here's why. First of all, you see the clockwise winds east of us. There's your high pressure system. That's beginning to move out. Here's your trough. See it in the deep south? That is solidly over Louisiana. This storm has to go between that high and this trough, which is the Big Bend area. So you see, that's the steering current. It can't go to the Western Gulf. It can't go to Louisiana. It's got nowhere to go but the state of Florida. I'm not kidding you. If you look at the computer models, again, very tightly clustered. As this storm moves to the west of us, I'm thinking by about 3 o'clock tomorrow, that'll be its closest pass to the Tampa Bay area, or Tampa Bay in general. If it was to come 30 miles closer, that makes a difference in the wind speed. 30 miles to the west makes a difference in the wind speed. There's not a lot of room for error. There really isn't with a storm like this and the large size that it is. Again, not in the cone. None of us are in the cone, which doesn't mean really anything because tropical storm force winds are going to go out 250 miles from the center. So really, it's the whole state is going to be impacted. But you're looking at a landfall more than likely probably sometime late on Thursday night. So I got hurricane warnings out for coastal Citrus, coastal Hernando, coastal Pasco. Everybody else is under a tropical storm warning. Something else I wanted to show you, which is these wave heights. These wave heights are going to be 40 to say 45 feet into the Gulf. That is a tremendous amount of energy, and all that energy is going to be pushed up into the Big Bend area, which is why you're getting these 10 to 15-foot storm surges. 6 to 10 as you're getting really from Hernando into Pasco, and 5 to 8 the storm surge in the Tampa Bay area. Your wind gust forecast, let's go through hour by hour. Here's tomorrow morning. Again, nothing's going to happen today, folks. So tomorrow morning at about this time, you're looking at some winds gusting 40 to 50 along the coast. Then by tomorrow afternoon, maybe some wind gusts over 70 along the coast. 50 inland or so. It all depends on the exact track, but I can tell you a lot of rain, a lot of wind, but it's not coming until tomorrow, so understand that. So today, just increasing clouds, breezy, maybe a scattered shower. You're going to roll up to 90 degrees. Over the next 7 days, if everything quiets down for the weekend, tomorrow's our big day, and really for the Tampa Bay area, the biggest impact will be felt tomorrow afternoon, so we still have some time.